Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate PayKickstart and Slack. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new subscriber is made in PayKickstart, it will send a message automatically via Slack. So PayKickstart is an awesome subscription billing software and Slack is a messaging platform. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from PayKickstart to Slack. But there is one minor problem. Of course, there is some kind of integration between PayKickstart and Slack, but this native integration is kind of limited. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. In this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate PayKickstart and Slack. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have created an account in Pabbly Connect. You can create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here click on access now. Now at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. Okay, so a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as PayKickstart to Slack. PayKickstart. Start to Slack. Okay, then click on create. So when you click on create, a window opens up. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the choose app, let's make it as PayKickstart, because we want to send the data from PayKickstart. That is why. So in the trigger event, we shall be making it as subscription created. Now, subscription created is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new subscription is created, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like subscription cancelled, cart abandonment, subscription trial start, fulfillment shipped, fulfillment refunded, subscription payment, and so on. So, however, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new subscription is created in PayKickstart. Okay, so the gist of the process is very simple. We want to send the data when a new subscription is created in PayKickstart. So basically, it means that we are trying to integrate PayKickstart and Pabbly Connect. So how about we visit PayKickstart, then click on campaigns. Okay, so as you can see, I have a product here. Okay, this is the product called as t-shirt. Here click on edit. So this is the product that we want to integrate with the Pabbly Connect. So scroll down and at the bottom you will find integrations. Click this. Okay, so this is the integration page. Scroll up and in the IPN URL, just click on enable and then click on add. Okay, so it is giving a blank called as IPN URL. So to fill in the blank, let's go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL or the IPN URL you want. Simply copy this and then paste it here. Okay, now in set events, change it from all events to subscription created. Excellent. Okay, so how about we check it? Okay, so 3ODK. Okay, so 3ODK. Let's check this once. 3ODK. Okay, excellent. So the IPN URL has been successfully copied and the set event has been set to subscription created. Okay, so scroll up and just click on save. Okay, so it is showing that we have successfully updated the product. Excellent. Basically, this means that we have successfully integrated PayKickstart and Pabbly Connect. Now, this means that anytime a new subscription is created in PayKickstart, Pabbly Connect will capture this data. Now, as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on this button, Capture Webhook Response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So how about we create a dummy subscription? Let's go to PayKickstart. Let's go to campaigns. Okay, so this is the product. Okay, was the product t-shirt. So I'm going to click on the checkout link. So this is the checkout link. I'm simply copying this and I'm going to just open this in a new tab. Okay, proceed with my order. So I'm going to fill in the details. So the name is Celine. Okay, Selenia Gomez, and so this is the email starbuck123@gmail.com. So this Selenia lives in, let's say, how about Iceland. Okay, and okay, the province, let's keep it as Austerland, and we should add a phone number 9131323317. Okay, so billing information has been entered. Just click on next step and let's complete the purchase. Okay, so a purchase has been made by a dummy customer called as Selenia Gomez. Okay, and the purchase is worth $99. Okay, so how about we check in Pabbly Connect? Has the Pabbly Connect, since it is integrated, has captured this data or not? Yes, the data has been captured. So this is the amount of the subscription, that is $99. And this is the company, that is Iceland. This is the city, Bhopal. Okay, and the billing zip, okay, the zip code. And this is the dummy customer's email address, Starbuck123. And this is the first name, Selenia. Okay, excellent. So basically we have got all the details. Now we have to sync in this detail to send to Slack so that it can send a message. So to do that, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. Here in the Choose app, let's make it as Slack. Okay. Now in the action event, we want to send a channel message without an image. Okay, so basically there are many more actions you can find in Pabbly. So one is a send channel message with image, send direct message, create channel, okay, add reminder, and so on. However, just like the triggers, if you don't find any specific action of your choice, you can ask us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to send a channel message without an image. Okay, then click on connect with Slack. Okay, in the new credentials, just again click on connect with Slack. Okay, so it is asking me permission. So just click on allow. Okay, so let me tell you something about Pabbly Connect. We don't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. Okay, so as you can see, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. So the purpose of this blank is very simple. We are going to create a channel message with the help of the data that we have received from PayKickstart via Pabbly Connect. So basically we have to sync all this data into these blanks. Now in the first, it is showing the channel, and in the channel it is showing the default as general. So let us expand this. So it is showing all these channels. These are all the channels that I have in my Slack. So let me show you. So as you can see, these are all the channel, and one of the channel was general. That is why it is showing it as general. So how about we create one extra channel? Okay, I'm going to create an extra channel. The name of the channel is PayKickstart. PayKickstart. Okay. Then click on create. Okay, so done. Okay, so 2 or 3 people extra has been added. Okay, so how about we refresh this? And how about we see it now? As you can see, PayKickstart is will be available. This channel will be available. Okay. My point is any action that is taken here in Slack will be also be reflected here. Excellent. Now in the message, let's give it as a plain text. Now we are going to frame a message. The message will be very simple. Hey, this guy, and we are going to enter the name. So we are going to map in the name, and this button is called as the mapping button. Just click this, and the name was Selenia, this girl or this person. Let's make it as a general neutral thing. This person with the last name. Okay, that is Gomez. From, let's enter the billing address. Okay, so billing address, how about we enter the country also? Okay, Iceland. Has purchased the product. This person can be contacted on this email address, and here we are going to just map in the address, email address. Okay, so this is the email address, or connect with him, her on this phone number. Okay, number. Excellent. Now the message has been entered. Okay, how about the bot name? We just enter a random bot name. How about Zion? Okay, so that's the message Zion will be giving. Okay, and the bot icon, we don't want any bot icon, so just leaving it empty. And so basically all the details has been entered. Just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent. So let's have a look in Slack. Okay, so the Zion is sending the message. This person, Selenia with last name Gomez from, okay, this is the address, has purchased the product. This person can be contacted on this email, startback123@gmail.com, or connect with him on this phone number. Excellent. So this basically means we have successfully integrated PayKickstart and Slack with help of Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a subscription is made in PayKickstart, it will be reflected via message in Slack. But there is something you should know. We should actually double check if the integration is working fine or not. So as to do that, how about we make one more subscription in PayKickstart? But before that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me minimize my action window. And I'm going to minimize my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Slack. So there's a perfect flow of data between PayKickstart and Slack. So how about we create one more subscription by a dummy customer. So this time the name is, do we have anything for autofill? Okay, we have a guy called as Jerry Bass and Jerry Bass. Okay, this is the email address of Jerry Bass. Click on next step. So Jerry Bass is from Greece. But we changed some of the address. ABC Lane 123456 near Random Park. Just change the city, that is about Paris. Now Greece, about Macedonia. Okay, there is a little city in Greece called as Macedonia, and central Greece. And 13132392121. Okay. Next step, complete purchase. Okay, so as you can see, a purchase has been made by this person called as Jerry Bass. So let's have a look in Slack. So let's refresh this. Yes, we have got the message. Hey, this person Jerry with last name Bass from ABC Lane, this is the address, has purchased this product. This person can be contacted on this email address, okay, jerryword123@gmail.com, or connect with him or her on this phone number. Excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new subscription is made in PayKickstart, it will be reflected as a message in Slack.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.